bushy tail and walks. F is for Firetruck speeding down the street. Beep, beep. F is for feather, floating in any weather. F is for fairy with wings so airy. F is for fruit, yummy and cute. F is for farm, where animals keep us warm. F is for fence, surrounding the hens. F is for fudge, chocolatey goodness we love to judge. F is for falcon, soaring high like a champion. F is for fiddle, playing tunes in the middle.